Basics of JavaScript in just 1 minute. First is comments. Right now, everything is written in the form of comments in JavaScript. Next are the console statements. So these are 4 types of console statements written in JavaScript. Then comes the variables and data types. A variable can store any data, and that data has some types. After that, we have an if-else statement, which says if something is true, then output some another thing else, any other thing. Next, we have loops, and there are 2 most common types of loops are written. They are even used a lot in real-world JavaScript applications. They look pretty much the same, but have a difference. Then comes the array and objects. These are also mentioned in the data types block and are so useful in high-end JavaScript applications development for any platform. Last but not least, we have the functions. The importance of function in JavaScript is that there is a whole JavaScript functional programming part. So that's it for JavaScript fundamentals. This was just an overview, so that's why I couldn't explain all the topics. There's a lot more that couldn't be discussed in 1 minute. But we can do that when making detailed videos on each topic.